Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? How is your day? And I hope you are beautiful. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing drink to help you remove some belly fat. Okay, and when you're consistent in this, it will actually help you to flatten all of your fat. Okay, and well, if you're taking this, you know that you don't need to take too much of junk food, soda, and too much of fatty food literally. Okay, because if you're actually taking that, you're not going to see your results. Okay, that's just the truth. Okay, so if you want to take this, know that you have to leave Coke alone, or leave not just Coke, okay, but other soda. Okay, all right guys, so let me take you right into this video, but before that, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click all and like it here, and let's go. Okay guys, so do you know that this leaf can actually help you remove all of those fat, can actually make you look really slim, can actually make you look really snatched? Okay, this is lettuce leaf. The leaf is actually used for is used for salad, is used for coleslaw and all of that. So we're actually going to be using it because it actually helps you lose some amount of fat. So what we're going to do is that we're going to wash the leaf, and as you're drinking it to lose weight, you are equally, increasing your health, like you have some good blood. Okay, so what I'll do is that would have to be cutting the leaf. This is lettuce leaf. After which you've cut, we'll have to put it inside a blender. Put in a little water. And then we'll blend it, yeah? Okay guys, so after blending the lettuce leaf, then we're going to be sieving it out. And then we're going to be making use of lemon. Now, lemon is a great weight loss remedy, guys. When you inculcate the habit of taking lemon, it's going to, like, you're literally not going to be gaining weight. Okay, so since I have a half cut of my lemon, I'm actually going to be cutting from there also. And now this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're not going to be taking just the lemon, but the lemon plus the zest. Now, have you actually tasted lemon zest? Like the liquid that comes out of this lemon zest when you press it. Now they actually use that to do the medicine that we drink. So let's do it this way so that you're gonna have all of the full benefits of this lemon. Okay guys, so after blending the lemon plus the zest, we're going to now sieve it out. Yeah, guys, now cucumber helps you reduce fat, it helps you glow, and it helps you, wash down all of those sickness and all of those illness in your body. So we're actually going to be taking this to lose weight, but it's actually going to be doing some other thing in our body, like making us, feel very healthy and all of that. Okay, so we're gonna be cutting this so that we could help our blender help us. Okay, so after cutting that, we're gonna be transferring that into a blender, and we're gonna be keeping that aside. I'm equally going to be making use of ginger. Now, ginger is a great medicine when it comes to losing weight, when it comes to the body. It helps for cold, flu, catarrh, mention them. And it equally helps in removing weight. So it will literally help you, remove all of those fat around your belly, and you're good to go, guys. So I'm gonna be peeling this up. Just a little, and then we're gonna wash this. So after washing that, then we'd have to cut that into pieces. Okay, guys, so I'm actually going to be putting in a little water. So we're going to be blending it. So after blending, you'll have to sieve this out, the cucumber and the ginger, sieve the juice out. Okay, so we're gonna be needing one more ingredient, but before that, let's bring in our goodness in here. And this is so beautiful. So the lettuce leaf, I'm gonna be putting that in, and the cucumber, and where's the apple cider vinegar? And the ginger in there. And then we're gonna be needing some apple cider vinegar, okay, to activate this drink and make it more effective. Okay, so you have to use a natural apple cider vinegar, organic, and the one that contains the modder in it. So you have to shake it. Take in 1 cup of the apple cider vinegar, and then you put it inside your drink. Then you basically just give it a stir. Okay. And here you go. Okay, this is actually very beautiful. Okay, take this to remove all of those belly fat, and take this to reduce some excessive fat. Okay, so let me have a take of this, because I am actually on this journey with you guys. Okay, so you guys are not alone. I am on this journey with you guys. Okay, so it tastes really great. The lemon zest, my god, Like, if you've actually not tasted it, why not go try it, taste it, and see how it is. Like, it tastes really good, guys. Drink this morning and night. Just a little bit of lemon, just like you see me cut in, morning and night for 2 weeks, and come back to tell me how far. But don't go packing, junk food, too much of carbohydrate, too much of fatty food into your diet, and you feel this is going to just automatically do magic. Okay, so be careful what you actually eat, but eat healthy and drink this for 2 weeks, and let me know how your result is. Okay, so that's it. It feels really good, it tastes really good. Like, this actually does two things. It gives you a lot of blood and it removes fat. So it gives you something and takes something away. Like, literally, it gives you good thing and take the bad one. Not that fat is bad, but excessive fat is not good. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to like it, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click all, and share it somewhere here. Don't forget to share it. Okay, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.